Hey guys, welcome to Wiki Procedure Videos channel and kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos. So in this video, we are going to see how to obtain a business license or permit for food manufacturing unit in Maharashtra. The link I'm highlighting right now is provided below description of this video. You can click on it to reach this page. So next, to apply online, please click on this link that we have provided over here. Once you click on this link, it will be directly go to this page. So now you have to click on the login food business. So then you have to enter your license registration application number and then click on the proceed button. So if you are a new user, please click on the do you want to apply for new license registration button. Now you can enter your name of company, organization, address, select the district, select the state, select the sub-district, PIN number, GST number, CIN number, PAN number, and then you click on the save and next button. So next you have to fill the product selection and then you have to fill the communication details. Next you have to upload all the documents and then finally you have to pay the amount in online mode itself. So after completing the payments, you have to click on the submit the application. After successful completing the payment, a receipt will be generated within a 17-digit reference number. Make a print of it and keep it safe for future reference. And you can track the status of the application through the home page. This application will be processed by them and they will notification you through your email or by SMS. Then there are the required documents of detailed information and in office and location section provided with the departments and contact details that need to be approached for this process. So in fee section for more fee details, please use this link. So we have provided all the information in each and every section. If you have any queries or about videos, just comment us. So we will get back to you as soon as possible. And kindly subscribe our channel for more informative videos.